Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Nissan Murano, only ways. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake so the vehicle is stable. Put on safety glasses and gloves to protect from acid and sparks. Open the hood, locate the battery, and identify negative and positive terminals. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, then loosen hold-downs and remove the old battery carefully and upright. In this video, I will show how to change battery in Nissan Murano, only ways. First, gather a 10 mm socket, wrench, terminal puller, and a battery cleaner brush so you won't stop mid-job. Confirm the correct battery group size and cold, cranking amps to match factory specs. Inspect the tray and cables for corrosion or damage and clean with a brush and baking soda solution. Have a memory saver or radio code ready if needed. In this video, I will show how to change battery in Nissan Murano, only ways. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof containers for keeping small parts, bolts, and hardware organized while I work. They seal tight and stack neatly in the trunk. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear car tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change battery in Nissan Murano, only way. After disconnecting the negative terminal, remove the positive terminal and loosen the hold-down clamp so you can lift the battery straight up using the handle or a strap. Keep the battery upright to avoid spills. Set the new battery in place, tighten the hold-down evenly, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and verify the vehicle starts and electronics function normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.